Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to transfer or move a folder from one place to another. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your File Explorer, and then what I mean is by moving one folder from one place to another, I mean, like for example, this folder, this from the pictures, and if you want to move it or transfer it to downloads, that is a very simple process. So let's get started. So first you want to click on the folder that you want to transfer, and then just go ahead and copy it. So you can copy it by clicking Ctrl plus C. Okay, Ctrl C, and then go to downloads or wherever you want to put the folder, and then just click paste. So you can do it, or you can paste it by clicking Ctrl V. Okay, and as you can see, the folder is now here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.